How do I know if my HVAC equipment was sized correctly from the beginning? The best way is to compare the equipment's capacity with a room-by-room heating and cooling load calculation, then check whether it runs in long, steady cycles and keeps every room comfortable. A properly sized system is chosen using details such as your home's square footage, insulation, windows, doors, ceiling height, air leakage, local weather, and the direction your home faces. A contractor should perform a room-by-room load calculation, rather than guessing from square footage alone. If the system is too large, it may cool the air quickly and shut off before removing enough humidity, leaving the house cold but damp. Oversized equipment also starts and stops more often, which can increase wear and energy use. If it is too small, it may run almost constantly on very hot or cold days and still fail to reach the thermostat setting. Long, steady operation is usually healthier for comfort and efficiency than rapid cycling. One lesser-known clue is that incorrect ductwork can make correctly sized equipment perform as if it were the wrong size, so ask for airflow testing as well. You can request the original load calculation, equipment model numbers, airflow readings, and measured temperature difference between the return and supply air. Then have an independent heating and cooling professional review them. A common mistake is judging size only by square footage, so ask for a documented room-by-room calculation instead. Another mistake is assuming a larger system is safer. Choose capacity based on the calculated load and humidity needs. Also, do not blame the equipment before checking ducts, filters, refrigerant charge, insulation, and air leaks because these problems can imitate poor sizing. Have those items tested before replacing the system. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.